My name is Mark Wright. I'm Executive Head Chef for Sodexo. I oversee the catering for a large and a medium B&I site based in Brighton. So today I'm making a Jerusalem artichoke and hazelnut soup with parsley pesto and using the Knorr Professional jelly. Choose this bouillon because it's closest you would get to scratch. It's a fantastic addition for umami flavour, really brings out the flavour of the hazelnuts and the roasted Jerusalem artichoke. Okay, so initially I'm going to sweat off the onions with the leeks and celery and add a little bit of garlic. Grab my jelly bouillon. I put a spoonful of the mix into the soup base. And then I'm going to add Jerusalem artichoke with some potatoes, cook them down in some of the vegetable bouillon. Then I'll slowly add some hazelnuts, cook those through and then blitz that up. So I'm just going to pass it through a sieve, and this will just make the soup really fine. And then I'll top that with a lovely hazelnut and parsley pesto. In this current day and age, one of the main challenges is picking a bouillon that has no allergens to declare. It's just a fantastic dish to serve for a hospitality menu. It's a little bit more refined, has great flavour.